Okay, so here we're going to need to make sure that you're always in your West Side account. Right now it's my personal, so I'm going to click on West Side. Once it's clicked on, I can scroll on top and wait and hover over it, and you can see that it has my West Side account on there. I'm going to go with my waffle. In my waffle, you can see that you can go to class, Google Classroom, Google Drive. You can even go to Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides. But for science, I'm going to scroll down and I can access STEMScopes. So I'm going to click on that. Make sure you're selecting your account. I have lots on here, but I'm selecting my Westside account. This is the only one that can access it. Now this will look different. This is my view, not your view. So let's quickly just go to what your assignment list. Okay, so you're going to click on your assignment that you have. You can see the date there, the start date and due date. This is not what it's going to look like. It will look like this. So your first assignment is going to be STEMScopes. I just want to teach you a little bit about working on STEMScopes for your STEMScopedia. So you can enlarge the text. You can also have it read to you by pressing play here, which is awesome. And I can unselect that. Now I can highlight things. I've already highlighted this yellow. I can right click it or hover over it, or highlight, I'm sorry, and right click. I can even change it to green. Or I can select it again, right click, and I can go without the color and get rid of my highlight. Right? You can also go to Spanish. So what if your parents only speak Spanish or read Spanish? There you go. Now they can also read it. Okay, so it's a great tool. For this first assignment, only want you to be reading about sensory receptors, and you're going to stop right here. Okay, we're going to really focus on the different types of senses and sensory receptors our body uses. All right, that's it.